Fifth Roman, answer very briefly. What is Gnostic movement? So Gnostic movement is in the page 227. This is Gnostic movement. So Gnostic movements are non-directional response of a plant or part of a plant to stimulus. Okay, so that is called a Gnostic movement. The second question, name the plant part which bends in the direction of gravity but away from the light. That is root system. That is root. Okay, then which bends towards light but away from the force of gravity. கிராவிட்டியிலிருந்து வெளியே வர அவையில் வெளிப்பக்கமாக வரக்கூடியது, சன்லைட்டை நோக்கி போகக்கூடியது. தட் இஸ் கால்டு ஷூட். ஓகே, தென் டிஃப்ரென்ஷியேட் phototrophism from photonasty. Phototrophism and photonasty already you have to written that previous class. Then fourth one, photosynthesis converts energy X into energy Y. What are X and Y? So X is a light energy, Y is a chemical energy. Okay, then green plants are autotrophic in their mode of nutrition. Why? Green plants of, so it is in page number 228. It is in page number 228, starting from in that photosynthesis paragraph, starting from fifth line. Green plants are autotrophic in the mode of nutrition because they prepare their own food materials through that process called photosynthesis. Okay, so green plants are autotrophic in their mode of nutrition. Why? Food material. Okay, so that is enough to write this one. Then define transpiration, already you have to return. Then the sixth one, name the cell that surround the stomata. That is God cells. Okay, God cells. Answer briefly. Give the technical terms for the following. A question, growth dependent movement in plants. Growth dependent, that is tropic movement. Growth independent movement in plants, that is Gnostic movement. Then explain that movement seen in nematophores of Avicennia. So this question answer I will send to you. Okay, Amma. Then fill in the blanks. 6 CO2 plus dash sunlight and chlorophyll. What is the product? Reactant and product also you have to write it. So that water is H2O, carbon dioxide plus water, that is 12H2O. It gives C6H12O6, that is glucose, plus 6H2O water and also oxygen. Okay, yes, you write like this. Then what is chlorophyll? You know that chlorophyll is a green pigment. What is chlorophyll, ma? Chlorophyll is a green pigment. Okay, you have to write like this way. Then one more point you write it. Green pigments in all green plants. So suppose this question also I sent to that photo. Okay, Amma. So chlorophyll, then Avicennia 4562. Okay, and also 7th 8th, this also so it is very simple one. 8th one, mention the difference between stomatal and lenticular transpiration, already given in that book. Already you have to learn also types of transpiration. Yes, then only you can write it. Okay, yes. Then to which direction stimuli do? Root response, shoot response. 9th question, to which directional stimuli do? Root response and shoot response. Root response means A answer is gravity, shoot response means light. Yes, so answer in detail. Differentiate between tropic and Gnostic movement, already go to return. Then how will you differentiate the different types of transpiration also? Thorough well. Okay. Next, higher order thinking skills. There are 3 plants A, B and C. The flowers of A open their petals in bright light during the day. A flower வந்து டே டைம் வந்து என்ன செய்யுமா பிரைட் லைட்டில் ஓப்பன் ஆகும். பட் க்ளோஸ் வென் இட்ஸ் டார்க் அட் நைட் நேரம் க்ளோஸ் ஆகும். ஆன் த அதர் ஹேண்ட் தட் ஃப்ளார்ஸ் ஆஃப் பி ஓப்பன் தேர் பெட்டல்ஸ். அப்போ ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஏ ஃப்ளார் வந்து என்ன கொஸ்டின் கொடுத்துருக்குன்னா நேம் த ஃபினோமினன் ஷோன் பை த ஃப்ளார் ஏ அண்ட் பி. அப்போது ஏ ஃப்ளாரும் எழுதணும், பி ஃப்ளாருடைய ஃபினோமினன் என்ன ஃபினோமினன் கேட்டிருக்கு. ஸோ ஆன் த அதர் ஹேண்ட் தட் ஃப்ளார்ஸ் பி open their petals at night but close during the day when there is bright light. ரெண்டுமே என்னதான் photonasty. The phenomenon is that photonasty. A answer is photonasty. Okay, then B, name one plant each which have behave like the flowers of plant A and B. So A and B in the flowers name, flower A common dandelion, then Taraxacum officinale. You write like this. Then flower B, that is moonflower, Ipomea alba. Moonflower, that is Ipomea alba. Okay, Amma? Yes. Then third one, plant C fold up and droop when touched with fingers or any other solid object. எந்த ஒரு சாலிட் ஆப்ஜெக்டோ நம்ம ஃபிங்கர்ஸோ அந்த பிளான்ட் மேலே படும்போது அது சுருங்கிக்கிடும் நம்ம தொடும்போது, அதான் ட்ரூப். அப்போ தட் கொஸ்டின் நேம் த ஃபினோமினன் எக்ஸிபிட்டட் பை த லீவ்ஸ் ஆஃப் பிளான்ட் சீன் கேட்டிருக்கு, ஃபினோமினன் கேட்டிருக்கு. அப்போ என்னது திக்மோட்ரோஃபிசம். ஓகேம்மா, யூ நோ that is மைமோசா பியூடிகா, தொற்றால் சினிங்கி சொல்லுவோம்ல. ஸோ திக்மோனாஸ்டி ஆர் சீஸ்மோனாஸ்டி. ஓகே, தென் here imagine a student studied in that importance of certain factors. Okay, student A studied the importance of certain factors in photosynthesis. He took a potted plant and kept in dark for 24 hours. 24 hours அப்படியே டார்க் ரூமில் அந்த பாட்டட் பிளான்ட்டை வச்சாச்சு. In that early hours the next morning